Hi everyone, I'm Kseny and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a gentle Qigong flow that you can use to reduce stress, release the muscle tension, and relax the mind and body. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax and soften the entire body. Bring your attention to your feet. Feel all four corners of your feet. Ground down into the earth, feel that connection. Maybe even swing back and forth to find the center, to find the balance. Same time, tuck your tailbone in slightly to lengthen the spine, and then chin to the chest to open the back of the neck. The head is pointing upward, so your spine is nice and long. Your knees are slightly bent, and your arms just down by the side. And then bring your hands together and rub gently to generate heat. We're going to be using them as a heating pads. Warm up your hands. When you do that, don't use too much pressure or too much kind of tension. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. So it should feel pleasant, it should feel kind of comforting. Very good. And I'm going to place one hand on top of the chest, another hand on the lower abdomen. And do some breathing sequences. So we're going to inhale, feel the chest. So your chest will naturally lift up. And then exhale, relax. And let your chest sink down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and then exhale. Relax and soften. Very good. Then change hands. And we're going to do another 4 repetitions. Inhale, lift the chest up. Feel the top of your lungs. And then exhale, sink down and relax. Inhale. And then exhale. Twice more like that. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale in through the nose. And then exhale, let all air out. And your chest will naturally deflate down. Very good. Let's deepen our breath a little bit. Move your hand to the lower abdomen. Then we're going to, as what they say, let the breath travel all the way to your belly. So we're going to inhale. Feel the entire abdominal area with our breath. And then exhale, slightly move your belly in. Inhale. Notice how your chest remains still, almost motionless. Exhale. All that tension to your belly. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale softly. And then exhale. Twice more like that. Inhale. Nice, comforting, centering breath all the way to your belly. Last one here. Send all your attention down to the lower abdomen. Very good. Relax your hand by the side. So now, I hope these 2 areas feel nice and warm. And bring your hands here under the lower abdomen. We're going to open and lengthen the front of the body. So turn the palms and press out gently. Lengthening through the front, the chest, the throat, the arms. And then turn your palms down and very slowly let them low in front of the body. Very good. We go up again. So keep your breath nice and soft here. Always inhaling, always exhaling. We want to focus more on the sensations. So go as high as you can. Really opening the front of the body. And then turn your palms down. And notice like a big wave of relaxation just washes over you. Like a refreshing waterfall. And let all the tension drain away through your fingers into the ground. One more time. Go up. Open and lengthen the front. Press out. Stand a little taller. Reach up. Then turn the palms down. And relax and soften. Very good. Next, we're going to raise the hands up, turn, and we're going to press out. So stay on the ground, lengthening through the back. The chin to the chest, open the back of the neck and go as high as you can. And then turn the palms down and send a wave of relaxation down your neck, down the back and into the legs. Let's do one more time. Go up. Press out. Stay here. Soften and relax down. Okay. Notice the sensations inside, the inside, the outside of the arms, the front and the back. Notice the tension kind of draining away, relaxing, opening, loosening up. Very good. And next, we're going to do the shaking exercise. It's very good for reducing stress and releasing the muscle tension and kind of shake everything up. So begin just with your fingers and your wrists. Relax your neck and shoulders, relax your back, soften your hips and knees, and just kind of shake off your arms. Bring your attention to your fingers. Notice how your fingers begin to warm up. Welcome any sensations inside. Then slowly release. Let go. The little sense of tinkling or electricity, buzzing. Very good. Then we're going to shake off the elbows. So now the area all the way from your elbow to your fingers. Releasing, softening, loosening up. Okay, very good. Just a few more seconds. And then slow down, relax. And then we're going to lift the shoulders all the way to the ears. Feel that kind of tension and then release down. Inhale and then exhale and drop. Feels nice. One more time. Down and last one. Relax. And again, notice the wave of relaxation just rushes down your arms. The shoulders feel nice and warm. Very good. And then bring your attention to the feet. Again, find all four corners of your feet. check out with your toes, with your heel, swing back and forth, really feel that connection, because we're going to be kind of shaking and vibrating through the whole body, but those impulses will be coming from the bottom of our feet. So slightly soften your knees, nice firm connection with the ground, then just create that internal vibration. It's gonna release, open, and soften the entire body. You know, we see athletes do that before the tournament or before the run, you know, kind of shaking off tension, releasing that extra stress and anxiety. So this exercise it's all about that. You want to feel like a child, like very free and loose, and let everything just drain away through the feet, arms, and hands. Okay, so keeping your spine nice and long. So you don't want to be doing that. You want to constantly have that nice long spine. Okay. And then maybe even close your eyes. And notice that impulse, notice that vibration that travels up your legs and throughout the entire body. Very good. And then slow down and notice how your body feels. That little bouncy, light feeling, tingling throughout the entire body. And then let's take a nice deep inhale. Open the body and then send your breath all the way down. Again, like a refreshing waterfall. Open. And then if you have any tension or stress, let everything just wash away through your feet into the ground. Okay, very good. And then bring your hands, I hope your hands are nice and warm. If not, maybe rub for a few more seconds. And then just wash your face with your hands. Relax the face muscle, relax the forehead, relax between the eyebrows, relax the chin and the mouth. And then take your hands through your head. This exercise called 10 dragons run through the forest. So massage the scalp, massage the head. And then with an open palm, massage and stroke the neck. Kind of changing hands. And last one. Very good. Then with the open palm, squeeze the shoulder muscle. It's almost like you're squeezing the tension. At the same time, relaxing and softening. Just a few gentle, loving squeezes. Okay? And then relax and same on the other side. So gently squeeze. And massage the shoulder. Very good. Then relax the hands down. And let's take a nice deep inhale. And then soft and easy long exhale. Great. Let all the tension go. You should feel more relaxed with each exhale. And then soften. Very good. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you next time.